This one, sir.
This one, right?
Yeah, sir.
How to find sine 65, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to listen? See this?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
Okay, great. Fine. I'll tell you, ma. So there is a rule called ASTC rule.
Yeah.
Okay. We usually say all silver teacups. Just a mnemonic for remembering. Okay. So all trigonometric ratios are positive in the first quadrant. Sine function, S stands for sine function is positive in the second quadrant. Third quadrant, tan function is positive.
Yeah.
Fourth quadrant, cos function is positive. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Of course, sine, when I tell sine, reciprocal is also true. Cosecant also.
Cosecant.
When I say tan, reciprocal, cot also.
Cot.
When I say cos, secant also. Okay?
Secant.
Fine.
Yeah.
This is you can
sir.
keep in mind. So you should know which quadrant, which is positive. Okay? Is it clear, Sai?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now next. Next, let us look at the angles here. Okay? What is this angle? 0 degree. What is this angle?
0 degree.
90 degree.
90 degree.
What is this angle?
180 degree.
What is this angle?
270 degree.
270 degrees. Then what is this angle? This angle is going to be 360 degrees.
360.
All right. Okay, and so on. Now, if any line is here, right? It will be in the first quadrant, correct?
Yeah.
If any line
Yes,
is
sir.
here, then it will be in which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Correct. If any line is here, it is in which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
Yes. And if any line is here, it will be in the
fourth quadrant.
Correct, ma? Okay. Now, with this knowledge, we will just go to the steps. Steps involved in whenever you're given a sum like this, how to do, I'll tell you the steps. Step number 1. If angle is greater than 360, okay?
Yes, sir.
Write the angle as 360 into some integer.
Yes, sir.
Plus the remainder. 360 into some integer plus remainder, okay?
Okay.
How to do it? First, you have to divide it. You have to divide that angle by 360. For example, what is this angle, Sai Kiran?
765.
Yeah, now you have to divide it by 360. Okay.
Okay.
So what do you get? 2 times if you do, you will get 720, correct?
Yes, sir.
360 into 2 is 720, right?
Yeah, correct.
If you subtract, you will get 45, okay?
Yes, sir.
What is the remainder? 45, correct? Yes. So what is the angle? In this example, 765 degrees. I have to write it as 360 into, what is this quotient?
Yeah, 45 degree.
Yeah, no, either divisor. 360, quotient is what?
Divisor, 360, sir.
Yeah, so 360 into 2, right?
Yeah.
Plus what?
Yeah, correct. Plus 45.
Understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the first step. So let us do that first step. So sine of 765 can be written as what?
360
into 2 plus what?
45.
Okay. Now tell me, how many hours? Suppose a line is here, suppose a line is here.
Yes, sir.
If I rotate this line by 360 degree, one full circle will be complete. I will come back again to the same point, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
If I rotate once more 360 degrees, where I will come?
To the same point, sir.
Same point, exactly, correct?
Yes, sir.
So how many hour times I am rotating by 360? I will come back to the same position only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in the next step, I can remove
Yes, sir. Yes.
So in the next step, I can remove this because it is as good as 0 because, I'm going to come back to the same position, correct?
Yes, sir.
So how many times I am rotating by 360? It is the same position. Therefore, 360 into 2, you can remove it in the next step.
Okay.
So what are you left with? Sine? If you remove this, what is remaining? Sine 45. What is sine 45? You remember the table, Kiran? 0 degree.
Yes, I'm not sure now. I forgot it. I have to.
You should
practice it,
remember
sir.
this. Okay, 60 degree, 90 degree. At least this much you should remember, which you learned
Yes.
in your lower class. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 1 by 2,
By 2.
sine 45 1 by root 2,
Root 2.
sine 60,
Root 3 by 2.
sine 90.
1. Okay.
So what is sine 45?
1 by root 2.
That's all. So your answer is what?
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. Anyways, I'll
got
share the recording also, but you can take the screenshot.
Yeah, finish, sir.
Done now?
Thank you, sir.
So you can see. So sine 65, what is the answer? Sine 765. 1 by root 2. Clear now?
1 by root 2. Yes, sir.
Clear now? Okay, good. Next, which
Oh
sum?
my God.
Simple, huh?
Next is simple, sir.
Shall we do this one now?
In the matter same, sir.
For example, next sum it will require a little more effort.
Okay.
Shall we do the next sum?
Yeah. So, okay, sir. Then, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do the next one now. Are you able to see this now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will tell you the steps for these sums. So whenever you're having negative angle, correct? This will
Yes,
be
sir.
step 1 will be get rid of that negative number, right? How to do that? Use this property. What is sine of minus theta? Minus sine theta. What is cosecant of minus theta?
And sine theta.
Minus cosecant theta. What is
Minus
tan
cosecant.
minus theta? Minus tan theta. What is cot of minus theta?
Tan theta.
Yes, minus cot theta. These 4 are called odd functions.
Minus cot theta.
These 4 are odd functions. Do you remember last class I discussed about odd and even functions?
Yes, sir.
Cos of minus theta will be plus cos theta. Secant of minus theta will be plus secant theta. These 2 are even functions. Okay, ma? So
Yes,
use the property first. Go through this property once. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now in this question, what you should write, cosecant of minus theta can be written as?
Minus cosecant theta.
Exactly. So cosecant of minus 1410 can be written as what? Clear, huh?
Minus 1410, sir.
Adam, so cosecant of minus
yes,
theta
sir.
will be minus cosecant theta. So cosecant of minus 1410 can be written as? This is like theta, correct?
Minus 1410.
Minus cosecant of?
Yes, sir. So minus secant
Not secant, minus cosecant. Cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta, correct? Is it clear, Sai Kiran?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then remaining is, like remaining next step, as I told you, right? What is step number 2? Because the angle is more than 360. Is it more than 360 or less than 360?
More than 360, sir.
So then what do you do? Divide the angle by 360.
360.
Then write it in that form. I told you, right? 360 into an integer plus the remainder form. Correct or not? Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We'll write it in that form. So which means I will divide 1410 by what?
360.
Correct? Huh? So if I multiply by 3, I will get 1080.
Yes, sir.
So if I subtract 0, 11 minus 8 is 3, then 4 minus 1, 3. So remainder, how much is the remainder?
330, sir.
Very good, ma'am. So how do I write it? 360 into 3.
360 into 3 plus 330.
Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. So this will be nothing but cosecant of Are you clear, Sai Kiran?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now
But
how many hour? What is the next thing? How many hour you rotate by 360 degrees? Will it change the position or not?
No, sir. It will
No,
happen in the
therefore I can
same
remove it.
position.
Correct or not?
Remote.
So I can simply write it as what?
Yes, sir. 330 degree. Cosecant
Very good,
330.
very good, very good, very good. Excellent. Okay, Sai Kiran, clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now next step I will tell you. Sir, I told you regarding the quadrants, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if I tell you an angle is 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, take theta to be some 20 degrees or something. So 90
Yes,
minus 20, which quadrant it is there? What is 90 minus
First quadrant.
20? Very good.
First quadrant.
Very good, very good, very good. So 90 minus theta will be in the
First quadrant.
Okay. Suppose if I say 90 plus theta, maybe 90 plus 20, how much it is? 110 degrees. Where it will be?
Yes. Second quadrant.
Correct, ma'am. Very good. So 90 plus theta will be in the second quadrant. Okay, another way I will tell. 180 degrees from here. If I go here, it is what?
Third quadrant, sir.
180. 180 is middle between first, second, and third. Correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
180 minus theta, if I say, like minus 180 minus 30, 150 degree, where it is?
It is in the fourth quadrant, sir.
Wait. What is this, Sai Kiran?
180 degree. Yeah.
So 0 to 90 first quadrant, 90 to 180 where?
90 to 180 is second quadrant, sir.
That's what I'm telling, 150, correct?
Yeah. Okay.
What is 150? Second quadrant, clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is nothing but 180 minus 30, I'm telling, correct?
Okay.
So 180 minus theta lies in which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Correct. Now 180 plus theta, like 210, 180 plus 30.
Okay. So
180, it will come here till here. This is 180 plus another 30. Where it is?
Okay.
Are you able to understand?
Third quadrant, sir.
Third quadrant, exactly.
Yeah, sir.
So 180 plus theta will lie in the third quadrant. Okay. One more way I will tell you. What is till here? From here till here. How much is the angle? Tell me. 90. One more 90. One more 90.
90.
What is this angle total? 270 degrees, correct?
270 degree.
So yes, 270 minus theta. If I do what it will be? 270 minus theta. Where it will be?
Third quadrant, sir.
Yes. So 270 minus theta is in the third quadrant. Now, if I say 270 plus theta.
Fourth quadrant.
Very good. Very good. Excellent, sir. Is in the third, fourth, is in the fourth quadrant. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
what is 360? From
Overall.
here you start, go till here. What is this?
Yeah. 0, sir.
From
Overall position.
0, you are coming to, so 360, right?
Yeah.
Suppose if I say 360 minus theta, where it will be? 360 minus 30, 330, where it will be? Fourth quadrant, correct?
First quadrant. Yeah, okay.
360 plus theta will be in the first quadrant. 360 minus theta will be in the
fourth quadrant. Okay.
Okay, now this is very important to know.
Okay, sir.
For solving these sums. Okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me tell you how to solve. So, minus cosecant. Can I write this angle? You have to write this angle in terms of any one of them which are close. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I write this as 360 minus 30? What is 330? 330. Can I write it as 360 minus 30?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Correct or not?
Get the same. Yeah, you will get the same.
Very good. It will be the same, right? So it is coming in which category? 360 minus theta category, correct?
Yes, sir.
It is in which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Yeah, fourth quadrant, correct? Fourth quadrant, what is positive? Now come to this. I told you, right?
Yes, sir.
First quadrant, which is positive? All. Second quadrant, which is positive?
All.
Sin theta, second quadrant, all silver T comes.
90.
Third quadrant, which is positive?
And
yeah, fourth quadrant, what is positive?
sin theta.
Fourth quadrant.
Sin. Cos, sir.
We did this, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So all are positive.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sine and cosecant are in second quadrant. Tan and cot in third quadrant. Cos and secant in fourth. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So in fourth quadrant, what will be positive, Sai Kiran?
Cos, sir.
Cos. But we are dealing with cosecant, correct? Our question is what?
Yes, sir.
Cosecant. Cosecant will be positive only in what? Second quadrant or first quadrant, correct?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Fourth quadrant, cosecant will be what?
Negative.
Negative. Very good. Very good. Very good. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Next step is, see here, first time you are learning, you will take time, but once you learn, you can do it very fast actually. Okay. So 360 minus 30 lies in which quadrant, ma?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant, what about cosecant?
It's negative, sir.
Okay, ma. So already one negative sign is there. Now, because cosecant is negative in fourth quadrant, I will put one more.
Minus.
Clear, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you will write this cosecant as it is. Then what is this angle, ma?
30 degrees, sir.
That also you will write it as it is. That is going to be your answer. So minus into minus?
Plus.
Plus. So answer is plus cosecant 30, correct?
Yes, sir.
You know cosecant and sine are reciprocal, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So cosecant 30, I can write it as 1 by sine 30, correct?
Yes, sir.
What is sine 30?
1 by 2.
Yeah, so this will be 1 by 1 by 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the answer?
2.
Yeah, understood?
Yes, sir.
So for answering this question, all this knowledge is required. Clear, huh?
Yes, sir.
Take a screenshot and go through it once. Tell me whether you are able to understand.
Yes, sir. I'm doing good.
First answer is minus.
Yeah.
Therefore, you will use this property. Cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then because the angle is more than 360, you will divide by 360. Get it in the form 360 into 3 plus remainder. Correct?
Yes.
And 360 into 3, because you're rotating 3 times by 360, it is not going to change the position. So you remove it and write 330, correct?
Yes, sir.
330, you are writing it in the form 360 minus theta. 360 minus 30, correct? 360 minus 30
Yes,
is
sir.
quadrant.
It's in fourth quadrant.
Yeah, this fourth quadrant, this third quadrant. So fourth quadrant, it is lying. Fourth quadrant, we are dealing with what? Cosecant.
Okay.
Cosecant is negative in fourth quadrant, correct? So already one minus sign is there. Because cosecant is negative in fourth quadrant, you put minus.
Yeah.
Then you write this cosecant as it is. Then write this angle which you have subtracted. What is that angle?
Okay, sir.
30 directly. That's
30
all.
degree.
So minus into minus is plus. Cosecant 30. What is cosecant 30? 1 by sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2.
30.
Therefore, 1 by 1 by 2 will be 2. Clear?
2. Yeah. Yes, sir.
That's
Got it, sir.
very good. So that is the thing. So you can see here also. Whatever method is used, you can see the answer. What is the answer?
2. Yeah.
Clear?
Okay. Got it, sir.
Okay. Next, we will see the next question. One more question in this type. And then we can move on to any other doubt that you have.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we have tan of 19 pi by 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, if you're comfortable with pi, you can do it using pi by 3. Otherwise, you can convert it into degrees. What is pi radians?
22 by 7, sir?
No, the 22 by 7 number-wise correct. But here it represents pi radians will be equal to 180 degree. There is a conversion.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Pi by 3 means it's 180 by 3. What is 180 by 3?
60 degree.
By 3, 60 degree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The symbol they may or may not write. They will simply write it as pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what?
180 by 2.
So it is how much?
90 degree. 90 degree. Yeah.
So whenever they say pi by 4, what is it?
180 by 4.
That is nothing but
45.
Clear, huh? When we say pi by 6, what is it? 180 by 6, which is what?
180 by 30.
30 degrees. Clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Now, see, there are two methods of how you can do it. You can convert this. So, for example, pi by 3, you can write it as what?
60 degree.
Then that will be what? 19 into 60 degree. And then you can divide by 360 and do the sum. Same way.
Yeah. Okay.
Or another method is keeping it as pi, in pi itself and doing it. I will teach you this method. Can I write 90? What are the multiples of 3? Tell me the multiples of 3. 3, 6.
3, 6, 9,
12, 15.
15.
Next. 18. Next. 21. So now tell me which
21.
19 is closest to these multiples. 18, correct?
6, sir. Yeah, 6, 18.
So can I write it as 18 pi plus pi? 19 pi. I am writing it as what?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
18 pi plus pi.
What is 18 by 3?
6 pi.
Can I write it like this? 18 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Clear? Okay. Now tell me one thing.
Yes, sir.
6 pi is nothing but 2 pi into 3. Correct or not? Now tell me, Sai Kiran.
Yes.
Pi is 360, 180 degree means what is 2 pi? What is pi?
2 2 into 180, sir.
So it is 360 degree, correct or not? 2 pi means what?
Yes, sir. 360.
So 360 degree, I am multiplying it by 3. That means what? 1 360, another 360, another 360. Correct or not? 2 pi is same as what?
Yes, sir.
2 pi is same as 360 degree. In the previous sum we did, right? 360 degree when you do, what is it? One rotation, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you are doing it 3 times means again you are coming to the same point, correct?
Yeah, there is no change.
So what I can do? I can remove this, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So what will be left with?
Pi.
No.
2. Like pi by 3.
This will be gone, right?
Yeah.
So what is remaining, ma? Saikiran?
Pi by 3, sir.
Pi by 3. What is pi by 3?
60 degree.
60 degree. What is tan 60?
Okay. Root 3 by 2. Root 3.
Root 3. Okay. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Tan 60 will be simply root 3.
Okay,
But
sir.
remember the table, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Saikiran. So did you understand this method?
Yes, sir.
You can take it down. You can take a screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Done, sir.
Okay, good. So you can see here. What is the answer for tan 19 pi by 3? Come on.
Root 3.
That's all. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So just practice this exercise and meet me tomorrow in the college.
Yes, sir.
And show me, all these workings, and whether you still have some doubts, we can sit maybe
Yes, sir.
after 5:30, 5:45. If you have some doubts, we can sit in the college and do it. Or
Yes,
after
sir.
you come home, we can connect online and do it.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sure, man. Sure. Was it clear today?
Yeah, done, sir. This is
Okay.
right.
Now,
So, sir,
other exercises. Tell me, Saikiran.
Yes, sir. Sir, today I'll practice this 3.3, so last exercise. And
Yes.
whatever doubt I have, I'll ask you tomorrow. Is it okay,
Tomorrow,
sir?
I'll sit with you after the class, or
Yeah.
after the college is complete, once you reach home.
Yeah.
We can similarly have a doubt clearing session online also, if required. Okay?
Okay, sir. Then.
Okay, Saikiran.
Yeah.
Good.
So this
I
last
appreciate
exercise, I'll practice it today, sir.
You practice.
Okay.
You practice the third exercise, 3.3.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. All the best,
Yes,
Saikiran.
sir.
Good day.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.